welcome back to my channel, Meals with Mills. Thank you for tuning in tonight or this late afternoon and for cooking with me. Tonight's menu, I will make a combination soup, or my version of combination soup. So I have all the herbs here. I have mint, cilantro or coriander roots, well, not all of it, some coriander leaves here, lemongrass, spring onions, sprouts, watercress, some onions here, and garlic that I will bring in a minute. So those are the veggies. The meat, I have pork here, marinated in Charsiu flavoring or marinade. Excuse me if I'm pronouncing the words incorrect. I've got chicken wings. I've also got tofu that I will fry it up later on. But first of all, I'm going to start a stock base, or the first layer of flavoring for our soup or our stock. So I'm going to cut our chicken and we will cook this for about an hour. So I'm going to add some warm water to our pot. We will cut our onions. I will also add some garlic. I will add some lemongrass. That will be my base for the stock. So I will boil this for about an hour just to get all those flavoring in our liquid. And by that time our chicken will be cooked as well. We can also use that chicken for the soup. So that's our first layer of flavoring for our soup. Our chicken stock base with onions, garlic and some lemongrass. We will boil that for an hour just to get some really nice flavors to start with. While our stock is boiling, I'm just going to prepare our tofu. So yeah, I'll start cooking our tofu and pork and have it ready for our soup. Now I'm going to fry our tofu. Tofu is slightly browned. We will cook our pork. So I like to add some noodles to my soup as well. The next stage of our recipe will literally take 5 minutes because everything's been prepared. Our noodle will be half cooked. I'll get the chicken prepared and the stock. I will add all our herbs here, the rest of our flavoring. We will boil it for about 5 minutes, then add the rest, even our noodles, as well as our vegetables. So that's our stock. I have drained it and I have drained out the onions and other ingredients I used previously, and I'm leaving the chicken wings with the soup because we will use that. I'm now going to add our red onions, our lemongrass. I will add half of our spring onion and leave the other half for garnishing on top of our soup. I'm going to add our coriander roots, our lemon leaves, I will leave the rest of our herbs here. We'll add this on top of our soup when I plate it. Boil that for a few minutes. Season your soup with salt, some pepper. I'm going to add some chilli now. More salt if you need to. We will add our shrimp now. Add our tofu. Pork. Add some now and add more later on. And our veggies are going in now. Our watercress. Ooh, look at that, everyone. Look at all those greens. This is the fun part for me, adding all these different veggies. Ooh. Okay, I'm going to turn the oven off now because I don't want our veggies to be overcooked. Okay, add the rest of the veggies. Our sprouts. That's what it looks like inside our pan. Yummy. Our combination soup. Everyone, our soup is now ready and plated. It smells really nice as well. I'm going to add the rest of the herbs for my soup. I love heaps of coriander in mine, and I might add more pork on top. So this is the time you can add the rest of your ingredients. If you want, you can add more sprouts just on top. Sometimes I like to add the pork crackle, the small pieces. I'm just going with some fried shallots or fried onions sprinkled on top. Squeezing a lime in my soup. It's time for us to taste our soup. And with our soup. quite nice with our pork, with the Charsiu pork. Yummy. The sweetness in the pork goes well with the lemon flavour and taste of the lime. Look at all those nice greens. Alright, so that's our combination soup, everyone. Thank you for cooking with me tonight, and thank you for tuning in. I hope you're all doing well and safe. May God bless you all. Take care and be safe. I will catch up again in the next episode. Bye for now.